Hi friends, welcome my channel. Here you'll find exciting product videos, honest reviews, and the latest tech and gadget discoveries. Top 5 Best Product Reviews. Number 5. Discount features a high-speed fiberglass hull and powerful jet propulsion system designed for thrilling ocean rides. Built for water sports and beach entertainment, it includes comfortable seating, advanced steering control, and a built-in Bluetooth speaker system for an exciting and luxurious on-water experience. Number 4. Best on Sale's new 2025 Ocean Jet Carboat Speedboats for water sports. Jet ski with speaker features a durable fiberglass hull and powerful jet engine designed for high-speed ocean performance. Built for water sports and beach entertainment, it includes comfortable seating, advanced controls. Number 3. Factory Direct High-Speed Fiberglass Water Sports Jet Carboat Speedboat Jet Ski Electric Boat with Speaker for Beach Resort features a durable fiberglass hull and advanced jet propulsion system designed for smooth, high-speed performance on water. Ideal for beach resorts and water sports businesses. Number 2. Hot-selling 2024 Ocean Jet Carboat Speedboat for water sports. Jet ski with speaker features a powerful 4-stroke engine and durable fiberglass hull designed for high-speed water adventures. It includes a Bluetooth audio speaker system, comfortable seating, and easy control, making it perfect for ocean rides. Number 1. Jet ski boat with built-in audio speakers features a powerful 4-stroke engine and durable fiberglass body for smooth performance on water. Designed with automatic operation for easy control, it offers stability, speed, and entertainment, perfect for leisure rides, water adventures, and recreational boating. Visit the description below for the product link. Thank you for watching my informative video.